Greetings, divine ones, and welcome back to Divine Consciousness. I was inspired to deliver this message to you all after a rough couple of days. The energy on the planet has been somewhat overwhelming, and I had to just give myself a day to disconnect from everyone and rest, reset, and reflect on exactly what is important at this time in my personal life and as for the collective. So the message that I have for you today is don't try to do this alone. As light workers and warriors on the planet, we have a great job to do, and it can be very overwhelming and hard to do that job if we try to do it alone all the time. So, for the day that I chose to disconnect, rest, reflect, I noticed that disconnection doesn't always feel good, but it is necessary. It's necessary to teach us a lesson, and that lesson is to not be so prideful with our work and to reach out to friends, family, loved ones for support and guidance. Reach out to your spirit team, whether that be ancestors, spirit animals, nature. We don't have to do this alone. And when we try to complete these very important tasks on our own, we tend to reach burnout far quicker than if we had partnered up and asked for the assistance from the beginning. So, reaching out to your friends, family, and loved ones may mean just sending a call or sending a text message or placing a call to someone in your life who you know has your best interest at heart and always have had this positive energy about them. I know, I understand, and overstand that asking for help can be somewhat embarrassing, but I just want to let everyone who's listening know that it is perfectly necessary to ask for assistance when assistance is needed. And there is always, and I mean always, someone out there who is willing to help you in any way that they can. So try not to go along with the storyline of, oh, no one understands me, no one knows what I go through, and no one is here, no one loves me. That is a complete and total lie. Keep your head up and your spirits lifted, and everything will align for you. Whatever it is that you are trying to overcome or manifest will come to you in divine timing. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone out there who's listening. And if you ever need someone to uplift your spirits, reach out to me. I am a holistic health coach, and I overflow with love, light, and positivity because I have had so many beautiful people in my life who have done the same for me. So I intend to do the same for anyone else who is in need of that love. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. And I will be sure to post a video the next time inspiration, with the next spark of inspiration I get. Peace, love, and light. Namaste.